How to manage photo storage in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and go to the home screen. Next, tap on the collection section where all your edited and saved photos are stored. To remove unwanted photos and free up storage, tap on the cross icon at the top right of the photo. If you want to manage space more efficiently, avoid saving every edit. Only save the final version of your photo that you are happy with. Also, FaceApp stores data within the app. To free up space on your device, you can clear cached files. Go to your phone settings, tap on Apps, find FaceApp, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. This won't delete your photos, but it helps the app run smoother. You can also move saved photos from FaceApp to your device gallery or cloud storage for better organization and backup. Managing your photo storage regularly helps you keep your app running smoothly and saves space on your device. Now you know how to manage photo storage in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.